Hey everybody, it's Tom McHugh with ELifeInsuranceLink.com. Hey, today we're talking about something that I have had the great pleasure of taking part in, and that is flying small aircraft. Back in the early 1980s, I was a student pilot and got rated to fly a single-engine land aircraft, and probably some of the funnest times I ever had. And if you're a private pilot, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So how does flying small airplanes impact your ability to get life insurance at reasonable rates? Well, there are a number of things that insurance companies look at, and so we'll kind of start off at the very beginning. First of all, they're going to want to know what kind of pilot are you? Are you a student pilot? Are you a private pilot? Are you a commercial pilot flying for compensation? Are you an air transport pilot? Are you an aerobatic pilot? Are you a crop duster? Are you flying helicopters? So they're going to want to know what kind of pilot you are. The next thing they're going to want to know is how many hours have you flown. Generally speaking, the number of hours from most insurance companies is right around 300. If you've got 300 total time, and you're flying up to 300 hours per year, that's the sweet spot for most insurance companies, again depending on the type of pilot that you are. Lastly, what they are looking at is where are you flying. If you're flying published airways, that's one thing. If you're flying, for example, if you're flying a helicopter and you're herding animals out in mountains or out on the desert, that's an entirely different thing. Here's a couple of examples of some recent pilot cases that we've worked with. We had a young man, I believe he was 25 or 26 years old, who is a student pilot. He's just now starting. He needed to have enough life insurance to protect himself, or for protection for his young family, and of course he doesn't have any total time yet, and he would, in this case, would expect to pay an additional $2.50 per thousand for his life insurance protection. Another case that we've recently helped out with is a private pilot. He's got roughly 350 hours of total time. He's flying somewhere between 100 and 150 hours per year. Published airlines, primarily out here in California, although he does go to some of the other western states from time to time. And he was pleased to find out that he would not have to pay any additional premium for his life insurance. In other words, he was considered to be a standard risk. Another case that we've worked on lately was a certified pilot who was flying ultralights. This guy's got lots and lots of hours. He was a military pilot. Now he's flying purely for fun. Loves flying ultralights. I told him that he should expect to pay an additional $5 per thousand for his life insurance. So there's a few examples, and if you are a pilot, give me a call at 888-813-0519. I'd love to share flying stories with you and help you out with the life insurance that you need to protect your family. So thanks for checking in.